The 7 elements of art are line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and value. They're the tools you use to create art. Today, we're diving into color, the art element that makes everything pop, like a Lego masterpiece or a famous painting. Let's get it. Color's the magic that hits your eyes first. It's all about hue, like red, blue, or yellow. Think of Lego bricks. Each hue is a different piece. In art, colors set the mood, like the chill greens in Monet's water lilies. Pick a hue, and you're building the vibe. Colors talk to you. Bright yellow screams energy, like a sunny Lego build. Dark blue? That's moody, like a moonlit night at the beach. Andy Warhol used loud pinks and yellows in his Marilyn Monroe portraits to make them pop like a viral post. Colors tell you how to feel. Colors split into 2 squads, warm and cool. Warm colors, red, orange, yellow, are fire, like the bold reds in Cahind Wiley's The Death of Hyacinth. Cool colors, blue, green, purple, are chill, like a Lego ocean wave. Artists mix them to hype you up or calm you down. Color makes art move. A red Lego cape screams, hero on the go. During Picasso's blue period, he employed muted grays and blues to infuse his paintings with a somber, intense atmosphere, evoking the emotional weight of a war scene. Every game or comic you love uses color to hit you right in the feels. So, that's color, the art element that brings the energy. From Wiley's bold portraits to Warhol's pop art, it's the key to making art feel alive. Next time you're gaming or scrolling, check the colors. Now grab some Legos or markers. Create something that pops.